To use WhatsApp call in Saudi Arabia, you first need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Also, you might need a reliable VPN for WhatsApp to avoid possible limits. We recommend using services like AeroShield. You can find the link in the description to use WhatsApp call in Saudi Arabia without any problems. Whether you are using mobile data or Wi-Fi, a strong connection is essential for a clear call quality. Once you have confirmed your internet connection, open the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Navigate to the chat of the person you want to call and tap on the phone icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will initiate the call and connect you to the recipient. If the person you are calling is also in Saudi Arabia and has a stable internet connection, the call should go through smoothly. It is important to note that WhatsApp calls are free of charge, but they do consume data. If you are using mobile data, make sure you have enough data allowance to support the call. Additionally, WhatsApp calls are encrypted for privacy and security purposes, ensuring that your conversations remain confidential. Overall, using WhatsApp call in Saudi Arabia is a convenient and cost-effective way to stay connected with friends and family, both locally and internationally. Just remember to have a good internet connection, and you'll be able to enjoy clear and uninterrupted calls with your loved ones.